So ayan, let's try this. So have you ever tried this? This is Pascual Original. So this is a yogurt, original yogurt. Have you ever tried this? Let's try. Let's open it. So we're on a diet. So let's try this. This is how it looked like. Mm. How is it? Hey, very creamy. Let's try. By the way, this is mixed fruit with the pineapple, banana, apple, pears, orange. Mixed fruits. Good for the healthy body. Good for diet. Sa mga nagda-diet dyan. Mm. Mm. Yummy. Want to try? I bought it from Prince. Prince, this is 24 pesos and it's so good. Good for diet person. Good for a diet person. Yummy. Finish. What is the taste? 10 out of 10. Oh, okay. 9 out of 10. I like the taste. It's not so sweet, but it's mixed fruits. So yummy. Try now. No more. Like and subscribe.